Hey guys! So today we have a diaper box full of mail. So let's get to it. We're gonna open this one first. This is from Amazon and I don't like this box at all because it's not closed. It's crazy, I don't like that. So let's see what we have. Oh, we have some green tea, chai spice green tea. I've never had chai tea with green tea. Thought it was a black one, so I don't know. We have a digital thermometer. This is pretty cute. It's green and it has a little heart on it. We have summer organic black tea. And we have another bib set. This is cute. This one has like feathers on it. And it comes with 2 burp claws. So that's pretty cute. Next we have this one. This is from Airsoft Joe. I don't know what that is. Or who that is, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's a person. I didn't bring scissors in, like always. Alright. So this is, oh! This is a police car. It's got a stick around it. Police car. I don't know what color it is because they're all different colors on the side. I don't know. It says colors may vary, so who knows? Who knows what color it is? Next, we have an envelope. Oh, this is fun. This is Victoria's Secret does a thing a couple times a year where if you mail in a self-addressed envelope with an index card with some stuff on it, that they'll send you a card for like a gift card thing. So it says your secret reward is worth $10 to $500. So then you gotta go online and redeem this. Sorry, little distracted there. But you go online and you redeem this, and then you get a gift card for Victoria's Secret. But their promotion goes for like 30 days or something, and you can mail in a card every day. So you get a code for every email or every envelope that you send in. I only sent in one because I didn't know if it would work or not, and I didn't feel like wasting stamps. So that's fun though. This is not supposed to be in there. Next, we have this little envelope that is a gift. I don't know. Oh, it's my bunny ring. How cute is that? I like that. Next envelope. Jordan will be excited. This is for her. There we go. It's a little swimsuit. It's got a little skirt on it on the top. There we go. Super cute. It also came in blue, but Jordan picked the yellow, so that's what she got. Next, we have another package from his gadget. This is the 3-port USB wall charger. We have the 2-port one. It's actually very nice. I like it. So, oh, this one's wrapped up. So it looks very similar. It just has 3 ports on it instead of 2. Get all this stuff back in here. Alright. We have this from Evergreen Research and Marketing. Oh, these are the insect repellent bands. We have a mini, and it's blue, and then we have a Mickey one that's red. These are super cute. And it's good because Austin likes Mickey right now. It's like his favorite thing, so that's good. This is from CrowdTap. So, super excited about these. Scented markers! Oh man. I haven't had a pack of these since I was in like elementary school. So I'm super excited. Yeah. Oh, 2 more. This is from Baby More. We have another set of bandana bibs. This one has green, red, gray, and yellow. Yeah, this is our last one. This is from Amazon. So let's see what we have. We have the Great Places coloring book. There's pictures on the back. Let's check this out. It's not very dark. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's very light. Very different than other coloring books. I think that's nice. Alright, so that's all our mail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow us on social media. Bye!